Hi, my name is Nicole and I am a master's student in the Global Technology and Development program. I incorporate volunteering on a daily basis. It's just about all I think about, and I do it because I just really enjoy helping others and contributing my time. This past summer, I traveled to Nicaragua and I went to a leadership institute there where we learned all about the public health situation in Nicaragua in rural communities and the difference between urban and rural areas. I took everything I learned about the communities in Nicaragua that we work with out there and I brought it back, and I started Global Public Health Brigades at ASU. We all get together and we do local volunteering events. We've partnered with a few ASU events also with the Hunger and Homelessness Coalition, Zero Waste Ambassadors, and Changemaker. We will also be traveling to Nicaragua this coming summer in July, and we will be working on public health infrastructure and access to clean water in really rural areas in Nicaragua. We work alongside with the community members, local masons. It's really an integrative project. I really just enjoy working alongside other people and trying to make a little bit of a difference. If you're hesitant about volunteering, I say just jump right in, because the other people that you're going to be volunteering with and working with, they're going to have the same mission and the same goals and care just as much as you will. I have some of the best friends I've met volunteering, and you may be tired on the weekends, you may have late classes, but it's such a great feeling to know that you've made an impact in someone else's life or in an organization, or your time here has been impactful to someone somewhere.